Alright, what up y'all? I'm gonna make this pretty quick and I'll get you into the video. This is Sunday's hunt from opening weekend. Saturday went so rough and we woke up a little bit late on Sunday, so I didn't really make an intro and literally just started in the blind. But I'm glad, I was not even thinking about recording. I'm glad I did because it turned out to be a pretty good hunt. So here you guys go. Hope you enjoy it and I'll do a little recap afterwards.
Really want more than, yeah, I might have to just shoot the next one to get things stirred. Got it. Good shot.
Oh, it's still up.
No moss.
I think let's wait.
See them well enough. I lost them in the grass. It's still too dark. And are you shitting me?
There's a little bird on this.
This wren just landed on my barrel. No, wren. Holy, that's a 10 gauge. Two up front. Yeah.
Yep.
Shoot him.
Yep.
I got stuck on the blind. No, I got stuck on the jerk rig. What? Anybody get one? There's one coming from the left too.
Good job, boys.
Those are three?
I think those were rigid.
No. Oh.
Oh, no way. You bonked that one?
You bonked it. You might.
Oh, you got that one. I did that other one.
No, this is the Gaddy? Yeah, it's a Gaddy. That's a widgeon.
Is that mine?
That. Kill it. Kill it.
That's a widgeon.
Yeah, it's a widgeon. It's a widgeon. I really wish you missed now. I got a hard on for Drake widgeons.
Not dead.
It was dead. Do it. Yeah, watch that one. Colin split on that bird, John?
Yeah.
Because I know we both shot at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
They're not looking right now.
Single right in front.
That's dead now.
I don't really foresee them coming down, but who knows? one.
I hit it.
Might shoot it again if you can. It's just winged, you gotta hurry. Coming in right now. Right here, right here, right here. It's not a duck, it's a timberdoodle. Oh, it almost died. I had my phone in my hand or else I was actually going to shoot that bird.
Alright, so that's the hunt. It went pretty good. I missed a few birds on camera. I think we shot like 16 birds. I'll throw a picture or a video across the screen with the birds, but we shot, it was a pretty good day. We had a decent day, a really mixed bag. I mean, we shot a couple of everything. I mean, we shot blue wings, we shot green wings, we shot shovelers, we shot one widgeon, two widgeon, my bad. Two widgeon and then a gadwall. So we shot a really, really mixed bag. We saw a lot of pintails and even a few mallards. Unfortunately, we were not in the spot. That property is really, really hard because it's got a lot of different spots. And once you start shooting birds out of the spot you're in, they go to a different spot. And we actually weren't that far from the spot, but I think with how Saturday went, we weren't really interested in moving around. And by the time we really realized that we were not going to be getting a whole lot more, we were like, nah, let's not move. We'll just wait it out. And we had a decent day for 4 people. I mean, if it had been like 6 or 7 people, I'd have been like, alright, let's move or this day is going to be bad. But, so, good things about the hunt. You know, nothing really went wrong other than not being in the perfect spot. It was definitely a breath of fresh air compared to Saturday, where it seemed like everything went wrong. There were a couple other groups on the marsh. Admittedly, we were the group that kind of came in last, but we tried to be as far away from people as possibly. I mean, we went to the other end of the property, and one group got within like 200 yards of us, but they were at the other end when we drove in, so they walked a long ways. I don't know why they started where they did for where they ended up, but that's all whatever. Bad things, we couldn't really get birds to decoy super great, and I personally think a lot of it had to do with our blind. Like I said, we slept in a little bit, and the blind lacked quite a bit. I'm kind of actually disappointed with how the blind ended up, and I think we would have shot probably a 4-man limit if we had spent a little more time on the blind. But it's a whatever kind of thing, because we had a lot of birds, and I didn't really put too many of them into the video because you can't quite tell, but we had a lot of birds that would circle us, and then they come down and they, start to completely commit, and then they take off and get up. They would not finish, they would not sit down, they would not get quite close enough for us to be super comfortable. Because we like our birds in tight, and then I personally, I shot it pretty bad on Sunday. I think I went through a little over a box of shells, which is disappointing, and I was tired from the day before, so it's whatever. It happens. I'm not gonna complain about it too much, but past that, I mean, it was a pretty dang good hunt, especially with how Saturday went for us, so I'm happy with it. I really hope you guys did enjoy the video. I mean, it wasn't a great video, but I definitely got a lot of the kill shots. At least, I think probably the birds we shot, I think we got I got 12 of them on video. Well, at least from the head. But, so, yeah. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like. If you got any kind of comment whatsoever, I would love to hear it. Love hearing from people. Just gives me something to converse about. And then, of course, if you want to see more duck hunting videos in the future, and even some deer hunting, pheasant hunting, and fishing once spring comes back around, or maybe even some ice fishing, subscribe to this channel. We got a lot more coming. I have 2 more videos already that I need to get finished up and put up for duck hunting. A couple really good hunts that I did during the week. So, anyways, that's all I got. I hope you all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time.